Hi everybody, in this lesson we will solve some interesting practice challenges on the concept of fractions on a number line. So let's dive right in. The first question is, which of these three pictures shows the fraction 3 over 8? So let's go through each of the pictures one by one. The first one is a number line with 0 on one end and 1 on this end. So let's first see how many parts it's been divided into. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the distance has been divided into 8 equal parts, but then they are saying this point is 3 over 8, but not really, because this point is actually just 2 parts away from 0. So this point is actually 2 over 8 and not 3 over 8. So it does not show 3 over 8. Now let's take a look at the second picture. So again, the distance from 0 to 1. Let's count the number of parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 equal parts. That's great. And how far away is this point from 0? So let's count the number of parts. 1, 2, and 3. So this point is 3 parts away from 0. And therefore, this indeed is the fraction 3 over 8. So this is correct. But now let's also look at what the third one's doing here. So this picture has the distance from 0 to 1 divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. So this point here can definitely not be 3 over 8. So this one is incorrect, this one is incorrect, and this picture here correctly represents 3 over 8. Alright, question number 2 says we have this number line here and P is a point on the number line between 0 and 1, and it says P is 2 over 3, true or false. Well, you can see that the distance between 0 and 1 has been divided indeed into 3 parts. So we have one part here, we have one part here, we have one part here, and P, this point, is 2 parts away from 0. So should this be 2 over 3? Not really, because the length of the parts are not equal. So you can clearly see here that this part is longer, much longer than this part here. This part's also unequal. So the part lengths are unequal, and therefore you cannot really say that this is 2 over 3. So the statement P is 2 over 3 is false. Alright, now question number 3. At what distance is the triangle from the diamond? So let's see, the triangle is over here, the diamond is over here, and then we have the total distance as 1 meter. So think of the left endpoint here as 0. Think of the right endpoint here as 1. How many equal parts is this distance being divided into? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. And therefore, what do you think will be the distance between the diamond and the triangle? So the distance between the diamond and the triangle is 1, 2, 3. 3 of the 5 equal parts, and therefore as a fraction you can write this as 3 over 5. So 3 over 5 meters. So that's the answer in this case. Okay, now here's the last question of this lesson. Bob is climbing a ladder with 10 rungs to reach a tree house. After climbing 7 rungs, he stops. So what is the fraction of the ladder below Bob when he stops, and what is the fraction of the ladder above Bob? So we have this ladder, picture of the ladder here. So think of the ground level as 0 and think of the top of the ladder as 1. So from 0 to 1 you have the whole ladder, and then you have these 10 rungs. So what do you think will be the distance between any two adjacent rungs? So how many parts is this distance being divided into? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 equal parts. Now Bob, after climbing 7 rungs, he stops. So let's see where he stops. So he'll go here, here, 1, 2, 3. So let's actually draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is where Bob is on this rung when he stops. So what is the fraction of the ladder below Bob when he stops? So this distance is 7 of the 10 equal parts. So the fraction of the ladder below Bob will be 7 over 10. And what do you think will be the fraction of the ladder above Bob? So this is, the distance is 3 of the 10 equal parts. So this fraction will be 3 over 10. So the fraction of the ladder above Bob is 3 over 10. And that completes this question. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.